Clearly I felt festive today in my Christmas PJs. Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
I look like Snape because I washed my hair.
Yeah.
It's Christmas tree time.
It's lighter than I thought. So this goes here?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any.
I think that should be it. Honestly, having a storage space has been the best thing.
Was there one that you had your eyes on already?
I did not.
That one.
Is that our tree? Morning. It's just about starting to get light out and we're gonna set up our Christmas tree with the actual decorations because we got tired last night and fell asleep. We got ornaments from storage and we have some stashed away in here behind me. The nice thing, I guess an upside that I'm trying to convince myself is an upside to small apartments, you don't lose things because they're right there. Even if you don't want them to be, they are right there. Charles, I want to move.
No, you don't. Crazy. Stay in here till we grow moss.
Clearly I felt festive today in my Christmas PJs, my Santa, are they elves or are they Santa? I think they're Santa, but they're like tiny, so tiny Santa pajamas. They are really warm though, so I might change out of them. We'll see. I changed. We're ready now. Let's do it. Okay, Google, play Christmas music.
Okay, here's a Spotify playlist called Christmas Hits.
Room temperature and grading, that's what it says. Oh, yeah! It's you, because you're crushing it. Salmonella? I hardly knew it.
Oh yeah. How much do we want?
That's good. Ooh. Taste. Ooh, damn.
Taste test. Not in the corner of my... That is delicious. No! Otherwise it's just gonna be slurry.
Is this enough?
More.
No whisk?
We don't have a whisk. I meant we don't have like a motorized whisk.
We don't have a whisk, she says. Guess I'll just die. Putting this in a Ziploc and pouring it in, or are we just spooning it in?
Spooning.
Cool, cute. Quick shout out to my avocado socks. staying fresh. Eyes up here. My eyes are up here, but also, just in case. By the way, did you say you already got oven mitts?
No. That's pretty clean.
Try another.
Also clean.
I'd say they're ready.
Take them out.
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, those look so good.
I mean, that's how every cupcake I've ever had is opened. Good start, good start. Ooh, hang on, I don't know if you can... You hear that? That's a good sign.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, touch that. That is so perfectly moist.
Oh yes.
That sounded more like ooh because you were scared to burn yourself.
A little bit. How'd we do? How'd we do? How'd we do?
Give me a high five.
Oh, sorry. That was a terrible high five. Camera and high fives don't. Okay, there we go.
There we go.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's like crisp on the outside, but moist on the inside. It's
Right.
perfect.
It is literally perfection.
How? I haven't made cupcakes in like 8 years.
We've got a heck of a lot left.
Whew. It's been a busy week. Haven't really had a chance to sit down and collect myself, but here we are. This is that moment, I think. Unless I remember a last minute present, because I am packing gifts right now for family, friends, people across in different continents, mailing it out. So unless I remember something that I've forgotten and do the last minute headless chicken dash for presents, I think we're okay. I actually made a gift list. Well, I did that last year as well, but this year I was more particular about it. Let me show you. Well, first off, this is the theme for December. Look at how cute. I am so proud of it. It's simple, but it was very fun to make. And this is the gift list. I did ideas, cards, notes, all of that. So we're more organized this year. We're definitely on top of things a little bit better. I love this time of year, can you tell? Baking, redoing some of the decorations in the house, the tree, of course. It's all just so fun, and it's a time for rest, relaxation, and also figuring out plans for the new year, which is a perfect balance, I think, of doing things and not doing things, which, as we know on this channel, is mostly in favor of not doing things, but also sometimes throwing in a bunch of stuff to do so that it, you know, balances out the equation. But yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Hope you're having a wonderful time winding down for the year and winding back up for the next one.